So we got new vehicle on channel. Got, like you can see, Jeep JL Rubicon with the one-touch roof. Like you saw in a previous video, Camaro gets stolen, so this is the replacement. Pretty happy with it. It sits currently on 33-inch tires, but pretty soon that's going to change. This is pretty much the stock form. Nothing was modified on the car. And let's check it out the inside. Actually, it looks pretty cool. The dashboard, it's all red. Right now we just did a little off-road, but we kind of get stuck uphill over there. One-touch roof is badass. That's pretty much the best option on this Jeep. I'm glad that I waited for this one. So the entire top opens. Got leather seats. You got shifter, automatic, 8-speed. A lot of goodies. Alright guys, so probably in the next video I'm going to show you some more stuff with it. And actually we're going to do some modifications to the car. Alright, peace.